This is how to reset the service interval on your Isuzu D-Max. This is a 1.9 2019 model, but as long as you've got that dash, they should all be the same. We're going to be using the I buttons on the end of the stalks, that one on the left, that one on the right. And we're going to start by going from the trip through the buttons so that we get to select mode. There we go. So we press the left one and hold. It takes you into the sub menu. Let's see if I can get it a bit closer. There we go. So now we're going to, as you can see, you've got a up and down arrow which correlates to the left and the right I button. So we're going to go down to service, press and hold, left button again. There you go, engine oil 102 miles overdue, press and hold. 12,000, that's correct, press and hold. That's reset. Now it's come up with end, but we're not going to end it because we've put a new air cleaner in it as well, because that wasn't reset last time. Press and hold. 25, that's correct, press and hold. That's it, we're on end. Press the left button to go up one. Maintenance, we've done a service on it, so press and hold. 12,000. That's it, all three are reset. Press and hold. You're back to the sub menu. Press and hold. Back to the dash. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.